ladies, the lovely topic we're talking about today is weight gain. That lovely side effect of pregnancy that no one ever likes. So I'm going to talk about what's normal and what you should be gaining every week and how to be sure that you are gaining what you're supposed to be. Alright, so for a single pregnancy, for a pregnancy that's only carrying one baby, if your pre-pregnancy weight is underweight, like if you're a tiny, skinny little person, you only weigh like 90 pounds, you're supposed to gain between 28 and 40 pounds. If your average weight, it's going to be 25 to 35 pounds. Now, if you're overweight, just a little overweight, not obese or anything, if you're a little chunky or whatever, or you just carry weight differently, then you're going to want to gain maybe 15 to 25 pounds. Now, for twins, that's totally different. If you're carrying twins, you're going to want to gain between 35 to 45 pounds. So be thankful you're only having one. Now, for single pregnancies, you're going to want to up your calorie intake about 300 calories. So you're going to want to intake about 2,300 calories per day. Not a whole lot more than what you're supposed to be eating on a regular diet. Now, if it's twins, again, it's going to be a lot more because the weight that you're gaining depicts how much weight your babies are going to weigh. So if you're carrying twins, you're going to want to intake between 3,000 to 3,500 calories per day. So that is almost double what your normal diet is supposed to be. So if you're carrying multiple babies, eat a lot. Snack healthy. Don't be eating a lot of carbs and a lot of crap and a lot of candy and soda. Do it smart. So when you have the babies, it's going to be easier to work off. It's going to be easier just to drop all that weight if you do it a lot healthier than just to eat food, whatever's in sight. That's my problem. I just like eating. So, for a single baby, your first 3 months, you're going to want to gain between 2 to 4 pounds for your first 3 months. After your first 3 months, every week, you're going to want to gain a pound per week. Every week, you want to go up a pound. Now, for multiple pregnancies, for people that are carrying twins or more, you're going to want to gain that 2 to 4 pounds in that first 3 months. And then after that, about 1.5 pounds per week. Now, when you're pregnant, you're going to eat a little different than you were before you got pregnant. You're not going to be as hungry at first, so you may lose a little weight when you first get pregnant because you're not going to be hungry. Your morning sickness is going to be awful or whatever the reason. You might lose a little bit of weight. That's totally normal in the very beginning. But past those couple of months where that morning sickness is no longer present, you need to be sure that you're gaining the proper weight to ensure that your baby is healthy and is gaining the weight it's supposed to be. Alright? Now, your eating habits are going to change because the bigger that your baby gets, the less room their stomach is going to have to expand. So throughout the day, you're going to want to eat like 5 to 6 small meals a day, snack a lot, healthy snacks, crackers, peanut butter, apples, anything. When you're hungry, eat. Don't, if you're hungry and you don't want to eat because, I just ate 20 minutes ago, whatever. Eat something if you're hungry. Just don't go hungry, eat. Because you're not going to be able to stuff yourself like you used to. Because again, your stomach's not going to be able to expand like it used to. So your dinner meals and everything, they're going to get smaller and smaller the bigger that baby gets, because you're not going to be able to eat as much. So you're going to be eating more throughout the day to compensate for the meals that you can't finish. So, weight gain is normal. It sucks, but it's normal. To ensure a healthy weight gain, snack throughout the day on healthy things like dried fruit, crackers, anything like that. Vegetables, fruit. The healthier that you eat, the easier it's going to be to drop that weight once you have the baby. So, healthier choices. Yeah. Eat your food.